Just touched down at the airport. Welcome to Jamaica. Once again, this is another episode. Building my dream house in Jamaica. Driving in. Just wanted to do something different for this video. This time I'm here with my family. See Rose there getting her first taste of Jamaican roads. She was having fun coming through the community of Glengoff.
Yeah?
Nice little community. Calm and collective.
We didn't get a chance now. We get a chance now.
You know, so this guy, just heal him up, in other words. That's the country vibes right there. Riding over there having a blast.
They run away?
Messing with the chickens. I was looking for her. Couldn't even find her. She was tucked off.
Why are you so messy?
In the bushes.
Bruh.
Full of burr.
Look at your clothes. You scared?
This one right here was a little lizard. I was just passing her. She's so cute. Didn't even want to mess with the lizard.
You scared?
She loved the outdoors though. This is a bakery. Golf Road. Colbert Bakery. Nothing like a hot bread with butter. Straight from the oven. So this is a side approach to the house. We were coming from in the bushes and she took this route, so I just followed on with her. So this right here is a basement suite.
Careful.
That's nothing that was planned, but we realized we could get a nice area out of it.
Okay, we're gonna walk right there.
And therefore we just
walk this way.
Build it up, block it up. Bathroom, a little kitchen, and a room.
No, come this way. Yeah.
Yeah, she just loving the bushes. So we're doing some installation, putting on some doors. So we're drilling straight into the concrete, straightening up and making sure it's not put on like paper. Yeah, so got Mark over there doing his thing. So just a small walkthrough. Last video wasn't 100% pretty, but inside the house is a little bit dark. I tried to get it fully opened and light up to the best that I could. Master bedroom, primed up. I wanted to sleep in the house, but I didn't really get around to it. But I could if I wanted to. This is a master bathroom. Tile work wasn't too bad. Floor to ceiling. I was contemplating doing the entire bathroom after seeing this, but still, I'm going with my original plan of being able to change the color whenever I need to. I had someone rubbing down the walls, even though I was told it would have been best to rub down the walls before I tile. But sometimes things are not as uniformed as you planned. Over the staircase. Still haven't rendered it yet, but get into that. Walls rubbed down pretty smooth. This guy's using blocks. Tedious work. Hard work. Going through the living room and just going towards the side room. Garage is to the left. And this is a bathroom. I haven't done anything with that bathroom yet, just tile the floor, because the 2 additional bathrooms I'm gonna tile them floor to ceiling. But apart from that, the work is getting on. I had a few vegetation that need to be cut down. You know, it's in the mountains. This approach is from the back, and we saw it earlier when Rylan was coming through the bushes, but this is the side view, or the back view of the basement. You know, like I was stating earlier, this wasn't anything that was planned, but I realized that I could get more space from there, so it's like a tucked off basement. It's like it's hidden. When you look at the house from the front, you can't tell that there's more space underneath like this. But for now, I'm just finishing up the first floor, which is upstairs, and then I'll get to the basement after. I'm coming right back from around the side toward the veranda. Next work I'm going to start doing is fencing and yard work. You listen to my painter. This is after he finished priming, so he's kind of narrating what he did.
Passage, back room, back room, kitchen, kitchen hall. Oh, so now this. I'm not doing that so yet. So it's staircase part, this not do. You can wash it down and so. Wash it. It's like macro. 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 Hold on, hold on. Master bedroom now. Master bedroom. Master bathroom. Master bathroom. This side veranda now. This side veranda.
Definitely did a good job. Pleased with the work that he put in. Walls look primed up, prepped and primed up. So can't complain on that. I have some photos from when I just started. It's my grandfather, Mr. Beji. He's the one who got everything lined out. Ups and down with the building. Sometimes slow and steady gets you to here. So it's not a one-day project. It's not a one-day thing. Put your mind to it and everything will work out. The view. Jamaica is such a beautiful place. Wouldn't give up being a Jamaican for anything else. Me and my little princess. Back to the driving again. So Rose over there trying out the hills. She's used to the North American roads. Where this road might look like a half a lane, and she's used to driving in up to 8-lane highways. But she did pretty good. Thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate you following me on my journey. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being there. Please remember, like, share, and subscribe. More people we have on the channel, the more profitable it will be in the future. But we'll be having a lot more new content coming up. A lot more new content. We'll be getting there. But you can always give an input as to what you would like us to video and the kind of content you would like. Thank you guys again. Have a good one.